Hello again, this is Mario from Team White City Devils. We happen to be in the Quad City area over in Rock Island, Illinois. Currently visiting Skellington Manor. Turns out this is an old Masonic temple, and there are a lot of terrifying things inside to check out. So let's get to it.
So cute.
How are you guys?
Doing good, how about you?
Oh, hi. What's your name?
My name is Nancy.
Nancy. What if that's my name?
I mean...
No, two Nancys in one spot, I've never heard.
We might have to fight for the dove.
Oh.
Nancy, do you know that my friends are very excited to meet you guys?
Howdy.
Hey.
Boy, am I glad to see you, Nancy. Come on up.
Here.
Okay.
Nancy's coming to say hi.
No, I'm not.
Nancy,
no, I'm not.
brought friends.
Oh no. Hi. Oh my god.
I want it. Oh, I'm big sweaty. Now, what move here you thought?
Oh, that's cool. Oh my god. This is not creepy at all. Oh my god. Oh, hi. Ooh. Oh my.
Welcome to the theater.
Body bag. Two body bags.
Oh my. Oh my god. It's an eyeball kid. What? Oh.
Dynamite.
Yes. Oh my god.
What are you even just waiting for? Too much.
Yes, very much so.
Oh no.
Wait, what are we gonna play?
I guess I didn't see. Yeah, that's fair.
Don't you want to be friends with me?
Yeah, we'll be friends with you.
Ever?
Yes.
Prizes, I get to take your kidney and wear it as a hat.
I got two kids.
Yeah, we got two, so.
I know, I have so many kidneys right here. What was it? Hold on. Wait, 2, 3, no, 4. I did it!
Yay!
Oh my god. And if you were to take one of those away, how many do we have?
Oh no! Why would you do that?
Why are you so mean to me?
Oh my god. Looking like lasagna or something.
I don't trust, never trust the portraits.
Yeah, no, they're all upside down. What's the deal? Are we upside down?
Porta Inferna.
Ooh.
So clearly this is diabolical. Oh, look at the floor. It's a whole bunch of hanging bodies. You so sneaky. What is okay? All right.
Headless swing girl. It's crazy. What the hell? Oh my gosh.
Monica. That one looks so creepy. All of them look creepy. Look at all those tiny dogs.
No.
And why are you so loud? You're gonna wake up my babies.
Not the babies. babies? But the music is very creepy.
I don't like the music.
You want to hold on to me?
You don't like my music?
Oh my god! That's a creepy mannequin. Those are some creepy mannequin heads. What is that? What? Oh my god!
Welcome. Are you here to shop? Here to stay. Here to shop. I have some lovely skulls. Yes,
It's
skulls.
like 80
They smell
degrees.
very nice in here. Yes. I have a lovely cabinet. Yes, all the curious
Wow,
things.
all that stuff.
All the curious things. Yes. Which one of you is staying?
I'll hang around.
Excellent. Teeth, ears, eyeballs. I'll take anything.
Oh no!
Oh, my God.
She has fallen and she can't get
You
up.
okay? Do you need, what's the thing?
Life alert?
Yeah, life alert.
Yeah.
I think it's too late.
Grandma.
I think we're late.
What was this? Who's gonna take care of these cats now? She's passed out.
I love this. This is my room right here. Look at all these cats.
Should we call someone?
Look at these cats.
There's more cats. Indeed. Oh my god, no, indeed, no. Oh, it's crows.
Swearing in here. Get it? Who's swearing in here?
Oh, hi. Oh no. Oh, that's the heart. Oh, it's still beating.
Well, that's too dang bad.
Oh no.
You want to be the next head on the trophy wall?
Oh no.
Oh, jeez. Keep going.
Keep going? Did you get creeped out?
What's your name, little girl?
Monica?
Monica's got a sister.
Oh my god, that's too close to comfort. Oh, someone dropped their Apple Watch here.
Are you gonna give buffering or crap for grandfather?
I usually have work screws, but I don't.
Do you
Here,
have
I
sock?
give.
A sock?
You take sock?
I
You take hat?
I have one ring.
Thank you very much for your contribution.
I've been waiting for you.
Wow, did you come for the fresh stew?
Oh no, nope. This is so cool. What is that? You see that? Jesus Christ. Enter if you dare. It's not you this time. You're old news. Oh, I hear laughter.
Everyone wants something.
Wow.
Welcome to my swamp.
Thanks for having us.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
How big is this place? What in the world is that? Why? Oh, that's so cool. What happened? my God, that is so close. Oh my God. That was a double tap right there. Oh no. Oh Is that an opening? I think he's trying to show us. What? Now we're watching. Where are you going now? Dude, watching them was actually really fun. Yeah, we're done with the haunt.
What do you think of the haunt?
Jesus Christ, it was beautiful. Not only were you looking at everyone, the animatronics, but you're looking at like the background of what used to be the Masonic temple.
Yeah.
So I thought that was really cool.
That was Skellington Manor. Great time, fun cast, and hold on, wait your cue. Thank you for taking that tour with us. We have more videos coming out this season. Until then, stay scary. Take care.
There you